that fills the blank. Underline the most suitable word that fills the blank. So you have to underline the suitable words because 3 words have been given. Okay, which one is the appropriate? You have to select. First one, Kanneliya is an area of beauty in Sri Lanka. What beauty in Sri Lanka? Natural beauty, naturally beauty, nature beauty.
Natural
Beauty
beauty.
means it's a it's an adjective. So sorry, beauty is a noun. So there should be an adjective. So natural beauty, very good. Natural beauty should be there. The Kanneliya is an area of natural beauty in Sri Lanka. Second one, most blank tours, tourism, tourists love to visit Kanneliya. Here, most tours, no. Sutrulakal, no. Tourism, Sutrula. அதாவது சுற்றுலா as a but kind of okay. Then tourists சுற்றுலா பயணிகள். Most tourists love to visit Kanneliya. There should be tourists. 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 Okay. Not tourists. Don't read it as tourists. It tourists. But tour. It should be tour, not tour. But when you read tourists, it should be tourists. Okay. Then third one, it is an ideal blank location, locate, locator for hiking during the dry season. It should be, it is an ideal location. Ideal location. Ideal ஆன ஒரு இடம். Location means இடம், தலம். Ideal location for hiking during the dry season. Fourth one, streams of Kanneliya are full of purity, purest, pure. Water that refreshes the travelers. Another, streams of Kanneliya are full of pure water. Okay, streams of Kanneliya are full of pure water. Pure is, water is a noun, so water should be described using an adjective. So here pure is the adjective. Purest is also the adjective, but it's a superlative form. If the was used, we can use purest, but here pure is the correct word here. Purity means noun, tuimai. Then it should be pure, P-U-R-E. Fifth one, the cascades in Kanneliya. Beautify, beauty, beautiful the environment with their natural grace. Okay, here there should be a verb. So beautify is the verb. The cascades in Kanneliya beautify the environment with their natural grace. The first one, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-Y, beautify. That's the answer. Then activity number 2, write meaningful sentences using the following words you have learned in the lesson Kanneliya. Now we learned a lesson about Kanneliya. In that lesson and in another activity also, we could see these words. We discussed these words: biodiversity, vegetation, cascade, hiking, deforestation. Now you are going to create some meaningful sentences using these words. Now, for example, I will tell you, Kanneliya is a place with a lot of biodiversity. It's a meaningful sentence, okay? Or else we can say, a variety of biodiversity can be seen in Kanneliya. Also, you can use another place in Singharaja forest. Okay, you can see, we can see biodiversity in Sigiriya. Yeah, likewise. Vegetation. Okay. Vegetation means நிறைய மரங்கள் தாவரங்கள் கூட்டாக இருக்கிறதுக்கு வெஜிடேஷன் சொல்லுவோம். அதை பத்தின ஒரு மீனிங்ஃபுல் சென்டென்ஸ் நீங்க அமைக்கணும். You have to write and send. Cascade, சிறிய நீர்வீழ்ச்சிகள், hiking, நடைபவனி, deforestation, காடழிப்பு. Then you move to the next side. Yes, activity number 3. Use the details about Singharaja rainforest and write a paragraph about it. Yes, இப்ப Singharaja rainforest பத்தி சில தகவல்கள் அவங்க தந்திருக்காங்க. அந்த தகவலை வச்சு நாங்க paragraph எழுத போறோம். நேரத்தோட earlier we discussed about Kanneliya as a paragraph, as a brochure, and we took the information like this in a grid. Now a grid has been given about Singharaja rainforest. You have to write a paragraph. Okay, you can expand the words and use simple words if you feel difficult, but you have to write. Location, Sabragamuva and southern provinces. Area 88 square kilometers. 88 சதுர கிலோமீட்டர். அவ்வளவு பெரிய ஒரு ஏரியாவில் இருக்குது சிங்கராஜ ஃபாரஸ்ட். இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ், இதுல இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் என்னது? இட்ஸ் a national park in Sri Lanka. It is a national value. Okay, it is a national wealth. Okay, national park, area of high biodiversity. Different sorts of animals, different sorts of plants, birds, reptiles are there in Singharaja rainforest. It's a World Heritage Site also. Even Kanneliya is not a World Heritage Site, but Singharaja Forest is a World Heritage Site. உலக மரபுரிமை குறிய இடங்கள்ல உண்டாகவும் இது பதியப்பட்டிருக்கிறது. Singharaja Forest உலக மரபுரிமை குறிய இடங்கள் ஒன்றாக, because of the biodiversity of Singharaja Forest. Wildlife, இங்க உள்ள wildlife. Okay, காட்டு வாழ் உயிரினங்கள் என்னென்னது? Trees, insects, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. Mammals, பாலூட்டிகள். Now bat, வௌவால், it's a mammal. பாலூட்டிகள், பாலூட்டுற விலங்குகள். Okay, திமிங்கலம், whale, it's also a mammal, you know. Okay. So mammals. So now you have to write a paragraph using the given information, and then you move to the other side, page number 57. Activity number 4. Find information about a historical or religious place in Sri Lanka and fill in the grid. Okay, now ஏதோ ஒரு ஹிஸ்டாரிக்கல் பிளேஸை நீங்க தேடி, அல்லது ஒரு ரிலீஜியஸ், அதாவது வரலாற்று முக்கியத்துவம் சார்ந்த ஒரு இடம், வாய்ந்த ஒரு இடம், அல்லது மத சார்பாக முக்கியத்துவம் பெற்ற ஒரு இடத்தை பத்தி, இலங்கையில ஒரு பத்தி நீங்க எழுத போறீங்க. A historical place, for example, tell me. Yes, now வரலாற்று முக்கியத்துவம் வாய்ந்த ஒரு இடம்ண்டா அனுராதபுர, பொலொன்னருவ. No, when you go to Anuradhapura, there are historical places like no, now even the what there are some tanks, they are built by now Kalaweva is a tank built by Dhatusena, no? Yes, Dhatusena. So likewise, these places, historical places. Okay, religious places, Ruangvelisaya. Yes, those are, I mean, historical places in Sri Lanka. Okay, Ruang Valley Saya, or also religious place. Okay, Ruang Valley Saya. A lot of places are there, no? Religious wise, yes. So now you have to find out the place which you have selected. You have to find out the location, distance from Colombo, importance, attractions, and best time to visit. These things you have to find out, and then you have to write another paragraph. All these activities we have to write. Okay. Okay, Sharia Kulel. So then இவ்வளவுக்கு நாங்க கதைச்ச the activities இவ்வளவை நீங்க செஞ்சு அனுப்பணும். This is the most important part in this lesson. What is the most important part? Your understanding. Okay, your understanding is one of the most important part of a lesson, and your works. You have to work. You have to write these activities. You have to do these activities. Then only you will get the knowledge. Okay, so those things you have to keep in mind, and please send your activities. சரியா வேற வந்து